And breaking news, the Supreme Court has set aside the TRAI's call drop penalty regulation which was imposed in October. The telcos will not be penalized for call drops. So clearly this is a big setback then coming in for a lot of consumers who, remember, had taken the entire issue of call drop, and this is essentially where it had reached the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court for the moment has set aside the TRAI's call drop penalty regulation which was imposed way back in October, and the government and the TRI, remember, have been sticking to their position to enforce penalty as it was designed earlier, because the government had been saying that it has statutory provisions to allow call drop penalty, but the Supreme Court ruling otherwise, and this is the reason why the call drop penalty has been set aside by the Apex Court. Meenakshi with us for more details. Now, Meenakshi, this is a huge setback coming in for consumers, considering the government also was, actually batting for penalty by the telecom companies.
Well, Dipti, absolutely, and it is also a setback for the government of India. It was a very ambitious project, Dipti. You recall the notification came by on the 16th of October 2015, and no less than Ravi Shankar Prasad had called this policy the need of the hour, because remember there were rampant call drops, and the government essentially had introduced this feature that for every 3 call drops, the telecom companies would have to provide compensation to their users. But clearly, that has not stood the scrutiny. That has not,
The Supreme Court has rendered a historic judgment today by striking down the regulation in terms of which telecom operators were going to be charged for call drops. They've struck down the regulation as being ultra-virus, unreasonable, and manifestly arbitrary. That's the judgment of the court. And they have also said that the procedure followed was entirely non-transparent. And they have said that Parliament should, in fact, frame regulations or a law in terms of which even subordinate legislation should be subject to principles of transparency, as is reflected in several judgments of American courts, including the American Supreme Court. And they have taken a cue from the RTI Act. I just wish to say that governments and ministers should not be populist when making decisions on behalf of government. If you want to please the people of India and want to become popular with them, do it in accordance with law, not outside the law. जब आप populist measures क्या प्रयास करेंगे और क्योंकि किसी को कॉल ड्रॉप मिनिस्टर बुलाया जाता है, उसके लिए आप चाहेंगे कि मैं टेलीकॉम ऑपरेटर्स के ऊपर कॉल ड्रॉप के रेट लगाऊं, तो लोगों को खुश